As the race to finish a COVID-19 vaccine continues, some people are skeptical about getting it because of political pressure.
Wake Up Wisconsin anchor Nick Buffo spoke with the head of the FDA about the steps they're taking to assure Wisconsinites a safe and effective vaccine is on the way.
This morning, FDA Commissioner Dr. Stephen Hahn and I discussed the worries some people are having right now over a potential COVID-19 vaccine. Earlier this month, a Marquette University Law School poll showed that 1/3 of Wisconsinites who were surveyed would probably or definitely not get a free COVID vaccine. And a recent ABC News Ipsos poll shows that 53% of those respondents have, quote, no confidence at all in the president to confirm the safety and effectiveness of a potential vaccine. Now, Dr. Hahn tells me once a company submits an application for approval, it will undergo a rigorous process, which includes having their data carefully looked at by a group of skilled scientists.
We will convene a vaccine advisory committee, which is a group of outside independent experts who will look at the data also. This will be a transparent and public process. They will see the data, they will ask questions, and they will give us their advice and comments regarding the applications that we receive. So there's a lot of checks and balances in the system.
Last week, President Trump told a crowd of supporters in Mosinee that a vaccine will be available before the end of the year. Dr. Hahn could not say when a vaccine will be ready, but stressed that the FDA is not going to cut any corners and decisions will be based upon science and data and nothing else. Right now, 2 vaccines are in phase 3 clinical trials, and that does not include the AstraZeneca trial at UW Health, which is still paused in the U.S. after a patient suffered a spinal cord issue.